You must be a flag expert to answer all the countries on this level. Can you name them all? Can you guess this flag? What about this one? How about these? Can you guess what flag is shown in this video? You have 3 seconds to answer and you'll have an easy, advanced, hard, and expert round. Are you the wise one? Let's go! This one is India. It's China. It's United Kingdom. It's United States of America. It's Israel. It's Russia. It's Saudi Arabia. It's Canada. It's South Korea. It's Spain. It's Japan. It's Italy. It's the Philippines. It's Brazil. It's Iraq. It's Pakistan. It's France. It's Australia. It's Argentina. Now we move on to the advanced round. It's North Korea. It's Singapore. It's Cuba. It's Ukraine. It's Vietnam. It's Mongolia. It's Thailand. It's Mexico. It's New Zealand. It's Egypt. It's Greece. It's Uruguay. It's Malaysia. It's Turkey. It's Afghanistan. It's Jamaica. It's Bangladesh. It's South Africa. It's Taiwan. It's Switzerland. On to the hard round. Tell me, what countries are these? It's Angola. It's Kyrgyzstan. It's Grenada. It's Zimbabwe. It's Papua New Guinea. It's Bhutan. It's Kenya. It's Croatia. It's Serbia. It's Ethiopia. It's Kiribati. It's Abkhazia. It's Albania. It's Montenegro. It's Antigua and Barbuda. It's Macedonia. It's Eritrea. It's Sri Lanka. It's the Republic of Otsak. It's the Isle of Man. You must be a flag expert to answer all the countries on this level. Let's go! Can you guess this flag? What about this one? The one on the left is Qatar and the one on the right is Bahrain. How about these? It's Colombia, Venezuela, and Ecuador. Now let's make it more confusing. Can you name them all? It's Norway, Denmark, Iceland, Finland, and Sweden, respectively. And how about these? They are the United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Jordan, Palestine, and Sudan. Now these are the hardest part. You tell me. It's Indonesia, Monaco, and Poland. Almost identical, right? How about these? It's Chad, Romania, and Andorra. Lastly, how about these two? It's the Netherlands on the left and Luxembourg on the right. How many did you get? Let us know in the comment section.